Travelers have long regarded Koh Tao as a scuba diving paradise, with some of the lowest fees in the world, high quality instruction and magnificent marine life to boot. But Koh Tao's allure extends far beyond its glistening surface, with a diverse choice of exciting activities to satisfy any taste. As the boat comes across the Gulf of Thailand, the towering silhouette of Ko Tao is evident. There are more than 70 climbing routes on the island, made of volcanic rock, ranging from alpine walls and paths with panoramic views to degraded coastline cliffs and lovely lowland bouldering spots. Also, any of Ko Tao's beautiful walks, such as the path to Mango Viewpoint, Fraggle Rock or Two Views, are worth checking out. Another reason to appreciate Ko Tao is its proximity to Nang Yuan National Park, which is a slice of heaven on earth. The waves are much cleaner and the beaches are even whiter than Ko Tao since it is protected. It's stunning here, and there is a hill where you can get a panoramic view of the island and Ko Tao. The beach, particularly Sairi on the west coast, is people's absolute favorite area on Ko Tao. The lake is very clear and blue, and there is a restaurant nearby that offers the finest chicken and cashew fried rice you can ever taste. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. On Ko Tao, you can witness some of the most breathtaking sunsets you've ever seen. Imagine sitting on the beach with a cold Singa beer in your hand, some music playing in the background, and a few people speaking at the neighboring restaurant. Ko Tao is like that. This view and the laid-back atmosphere will be with you throughout your holiday. Thais have long enjoyed a festival-driven culture, and Thailand's festival circuit has grown in tandem with Western influence. Ko Tao has annual celebrations for traditional Thai holidays such as Loi Krathong and of course Songkran, as well as its own annual Ko Tao festival in March, which honors the community's annual commitment to environmental activities. Since 2008, the Year-End Experience Festival has drawn a multitude of trance fans, with live performers and DJs from all over the world, as well as art, music and good vibes. Throughout the month, there is always activities to attend. Each month, the Secret Party throws amazing parties at different, frequently unique venues. The Factory's Sunday sessions offer a rotating lineup of locally acclaimed DJs, and Blue Water throws monthly Saturday beach parties directly on Sairi's main strip. It's nothing left to say, it is to let it be. Away from me, it's always you.